some of the questions. And of course, the child here. The group 1 is all in almost finished. Now the next question is, if Valencia, yes, what is being added in the given number? Reference to all three. 0.5, why 0.5? Yes, that's right, Rose guys now. Yes, she got the you're really good in moving. Very. The numbers are mostly repeated but each consecutive term may be divided equal to 1/2. Example, 1/2 divided by 1 or 1/2 divided by 1/4. The result is constant in each consecutive term. Yes, that's right. There is a common difference that we see. Now, this we have here. Yes, Miss Valenza. Thank you for your answer, Miss Very great. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday.
A year.
Yes, a year. So now, from the table that I showed earlier, what have you observed in the first row? Anyone from the group? Yes, Miss Valenza. Help me serve your Okay, very well then. So how about the fifth and sixth row? Who can use their observation? Mr. Robert. What are the protocols? Do all of you guys follow the protocols during the COVID pandemic? Yeah. Okay, very good. So now let's move to the next speaker. Yes. Of the infinite and finite geometric sequence. Do you want some more fun? Yes. Yes, ma'am. Okay, let's proceed to the next activity. Our next activity is entitled Do Me a Sequel. So group yourself. So this will be the group 1 and this will be the group 2. Okay? So, and you will have to make a table for your work. That is